It is a 25th of October today. It is a brief tour of my back garden. Now we are in winter times. The clocks have gone back. They look pretty. My dwarf cherry tree, the colors of the leaves is changing. That is a small pomegranate which had flowered. Next to it, that's an apple tree. Some late varieties are still there. Some apples are hanging on the apple tree. Those dark red apples, and also another late ripening variety. There are a lot of apples, quite big in size. Some are changing colors, some have changed. That's one of my pear trees, and there are still some pears hanging on it. There are 3 pears at the top of that branch, and there's another one hanging on that branch. That is my discovery apple. I have put a plastic bag around these grafts, which were done in September. Another apple tree, and all the apples on this one, they have so many spots which have affected the beauty and the growth. Next to it, there's another pear tree, and I can spot little bit fruit still hanging on it. The leaves are changing color. That's another apple tree which has 23 varieties grafted on it. That one variety, that's late ripening. There are 3 apples still hanging on it, and they have a very funny shape. Next to it, there's another pear tree. All the leaves have turned yellow. They look nice. That's a different color. But other varieties grafted onto it, they have shown a different pattern on their leaves. Like that one, that branch is Saphira. And you can see Red Williams. They have completely different colors. The leaves are still green and are not showing any signs that they will be turning into yellow and falling off in next few days. My fig trees, they are shedding leaves. Still the second batch of fruit still hanging. And that's my Braeburn apple. And I've spotted some strange effects on the leaves, and they are turning kind of showing a brown color. They are not turning a yellow as a showing any sign of autumn, but the color on the leaves is showing like it has some kind of a mysterious disease. Another dwarf pear tree. Most of the leaves, they have turned yellow, apart from, well, few branches, a different variety grafted onto it. If you like my work, please subscribe to my channel and let others know. If you don't like it, please let me know. Thank you.